The biggest problem holding back new YouTubers is finding their audience, when most of us don't even know whether it's niche or niche. Never mind knowing how to find your audience in the vast ocean of YouTube. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to find your audience on YouTube, because guess what? They already exist. You just need to know how to find them. Lucky for you, I've helped over 900 new YouTubers find their audience and grow their YouTube channel. Just like Des, Gigi, Joe, Nick, Anne, Thomas, and Isabel. And once we find your audience, then you can start making the right videos that grow your channel. Let's dive right in. Step 1, problem first, people later. Most people start looking for their niche by trying to find the people. But it's a whole lot easier if you get clarity on the problem your videos are going to solve for your audience. Then we can go out and find the people that need help with that problem. The more specific you can be about your problem that you solve, the more value you can pack into your videos for your audience, which is going to build trust and create a good relationship with your audience and keep them coming back to watch your channel. So how specific do we need to get? Well, think about someone who wants to lose some weight. If you solve the problem of how to lose 5 kgs or 5 pounds for you folks on the other side of the pond, that's a really broad topic to create a video on, because you don't know specifically who you're speaking to, what they struggle with, and how they want to lose that weight. But if you make a video about how to lose 5 kgs in 4 weeks so you can fit into your wedding dress using the best cardio exercises out there, you're going to make your life much easier to pack value into the video, build trust with your audience, and create the best possible video you can to solve their problem. So really dive into the specifics of the problem that you're going to help your audience with. The more specific you can be, the more you can talk to your audience. You want them to feel like you're reading their mind, because you know every step that they need on their journey in order to solve their problem. Now that we've got clarity on the problem we're helping people solve with our videos, we can head into step 2, where we're going to find other YouTube creators making videos about the problems that you want to talk about. This is going to give us the insight and information we need to collect to fully understand what our viewers are going through, what they're struggling with most in order to solve their problem. Once you've found these creators on YouTube, we can now head into step 3, where we're going to dive deep into understanding our audience. And we're going to do this by looking at the videos from these creators that have done really well, that have been popular with our audience, go into them and see the comments that your audience is currently writing on their videos. What are they talking about? What are they struggling with? What did they like about the video that helped them overcome the problem? Where did they get stuck in the process? What did the video not help them with? Where are they still stuck? Where you can make a video to help them with that specific step in the problem solving process. You really need to go deep here and understand what's going on in the mind of your audience, so you can create videos that are valuable for them, that don't waste any time, that get straight to the point of the struggles that they're having in overcoming the problems that they want to solve. This is going to help you build the most trust for your channel, get you the most returning viewers, which is going to grow your channel and get you the views that you deserve. If you want support and accountability in growing your YouTube channel, or you need help in finding your audience, then come across and join us in our YouTube Mastermind community, where we're all growing our YouTube channels together. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below. Once you've found your audience, it's really important to come up with the right video ideas for your audience. And we've created a video just for you to help you find the right video ideas, and you can watch it right here.